So we're in Fresno, California, just finishing installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Right here on the side label, you've got your serial number, model number, and you can go to bradfordwhite.com, get this registered. We might do that as a point of courtesy to the homeowner on the way home. They're good clients. And so anyways, that's what you got there. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't even read it, but I'll be able to look back. And anyways, get this registered, get your warranty going. They have an extended warranty that gives you up to 4 years longer, so 10-year instead of the 6-year warranty. And we'll talk to you about that a little later. Anyway, starting at the top, we give you a brand new vent pipe. So adjustable 90, and then a piece of pipe in between. So all brand new down to the draft diverter, which comes with the unit. On this side, you already have a quarter-turn shut-off valve, ball valve, and so we didn't touch that, so we didn't have to shut the house down today, which is good. You know, it's a 2-story, lots of draining down, so just leave that in place. Everything looked good on it, no dripping. We did replace, they had some 90s galvanized pipe nipples and 90s on here, so we took them out, put brass in, so you can see that. We did give you a second valve on the hot side. It's not required by code. We like to do that because while we're working on the home, if the cold water is off to the water heater, but it's but it's on to the home, if you go in and you turn a faucet on, sometimes it'll blow back, it'll pull back through the hot side of that fixture and come out here and spit out through this line while it's open. So we just put a valve on it. It's $10, no big deal. No, $15, I don't know. And that way we can shut it off, and when we're, so the water wasn't off at the home today, which is good. And then you can isolate it if you ever go to work on this thing. You can shut this valve off, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Same thing with that one. Falcon stainless steel connectors, 3/4 by 15. This is a full 3/4 inside diameter. These are the largest in the industry, also the most expensive, but that's what we like to use, so that's what we put in. Brass extensions down the tank helps seat this gasket a little better than these nipples that are stubbed out. Of course, relief valve, safety valve here for temperature and or pressure, and it's stubbed out right outside that back wall over there. A little further down the garage is the exterior wall, so it's dumped out in the backyard. Falcon stainless steel connector, again 3/4 inch inside diameter, so this is code compliant. Upper third adjustable straps, lower third adjustable straps. We can give you a brand new gas valve. So this is as old as the home. It's the old spin through valves, and on the back side typically you start to get leaking through here, and then PG&E comes out, shuts your gas off. So brand new shut off valve, brand new gas connector. We get this lit. The burner's lit right now. It's probably a couple hours before you have hot water, and you'll get a little bit of air. There is a little bit of air in the lines. We bled out as much as we could out of the water heater through the relief line, but you'll still get some through the faucets in the kitchen and the downstairs bathroom. So anyways, you can see right here, risk increases with hotter water. So we recommend leaving it right there at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. A 130, B 140, C 150, very hot 160, at B 140. 3rd degree burns 3 seconds. If you're an infant or the elderly, 1 second, you're burned, you're going to the hospital. So that's what we recommend. Anything else going on, like at the kitchen, if you have a single handle faucet, cartridge goes bad, you may have a fluctuation of hot and cold water. It's just a simple cartridge replacement. Same thing in the bathroom, if it's a single lever, just a cartridge replacement, so no big deal there. But so anyways, the other one was chock full of debris. It's out there in the driveway. Looks like calcium deposits, but when we went to drain the other water heater, which is the old, I think, a Whirlpool, we couldn't get it to drain. It just kept clogging the drain at the bottom, and finally got it to break loose, got it drained down. So it was pretty full of debris. Anyway, so everything else looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.